Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Umay's Tech. As you know, we were discussing about the 99 designs in Pakistan. We see it has two different ways in which freelancer can get hired. Two ways for get hired. One is client who needs to design can hire a specific freelancer. It means the client also can hire a freelancer. And the second is way is the client can arrange a contest. It means client can also arrange contest. The contest allows freelancers to share creative and unique ideas for design. This contest is a great opportunity for freelancers to get a chance and work globally. This is the reason why this platform is listed as one of the best online earning website in the Pakistan. Next, we will see its different categories that help us online earning. So we should discuss these one by one. The first one, if we see, is logo designing. Logo designing is logo designing is also a source of online earning. Let me see for online earning. So first we have discussed here is the logo identity, not a logo designing logo identity. Identity, and after it is website development. Web development. It is also a source of online earning through 99 designs. Website development after it is app development. After app development is business advertising. Business advertising by logo identity, by web development, app development, and business advertising. You can also earn through the 99 designs, clothing and merchandise. There is clothing and merchandise. It is also category of 99 designs for the online earning, and other is art and illustrator. Uh, these are the art and illustrator that can be the source of online earning through the 99 designs. And after it is packaging label. If we see is packaging and label. These are also the source of earning, and at the end is the book and magazine. Book and magazine. And these are the categories of 99 designs that can be the source of online earning for you. So friends, you can earn a lot by working on these platforms and these categories. So for this type of videos, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for supporting us. this video.